Innovations in upcycling food waste. Food waste is being transformed into edible products through the process of upcycling. By utilizing ingredients that would otherwise be discarded, such as fruit peels, stems, and overripe produce, companies are creating new, nutritious products. These innovations help reduce waste while providing consumers with sustainable, eco-friendly food options. Converting surplus grains into snacks. One way food waste is being repurposed is by converting surplus grains into snacks. Leftover grains from breweries or mills are being upcycled into crackers, granola bars, and other snack items. This process not only reduces food waste but also creates affordable, nutrient-rich snacks for consumers. Using ugly produce for juices and smoothies. Fruits and vegetables that don't meet aesthetic standards, often labeled as ugly, are being used to create juices, smoothies, and purees. These discarded produce items, which are still fresh and nutritious, are blended into flavorful beverages, offering a sustainable alternative to buying perfect-looking produce while reducing food waste. Turning leftover bread into flour. Day-old bread that would typically go to waste is being repurposed into flour. This flour can then be used in baking, allowing food producers to create new products while minimizing the environmental impact. Bread-to-flour transformation is an innovative way to reduce the amount of bread that ends up in landfills. Developing edible packaging from food waste. Edible packaging is another creative way food waste is being transformed. By using food scraps like seaweed or potato peels, companies are creating biodegradable and edible food wraps. These innovations reduce single-use plastic waste while offering consumers an eco-friendly and edible alternative to traditional packaging. Making protein from food waste by fermentation. Food waste is also being used as a source of protein through fermentation. Leftover ingredients such as fruit pulp or vegetable scraps can be fermented into high-protein foods like plant-based meat alternatives. This method provides a sustainable source of protein and reduces reliance on animal farming, which is resource-intensive. Repurposing coffee grounds for edible goods. Used coffee grounds, which are often discarded, are being transformed into edible products such as energy bars, cookies, and smoothies. These products not only make use of coffee waste but also retain the rich nutrients found in coffee grounds, providing an antioxidant boost to consumers. Creating dairy alternatives from food waste. Dairy products are being reimagined from food waste by using leftover ingredients like almond pulp or fruit skins. For example, almond pulp leftover from milk production can be turned into plant-based cheeses or yogurt. This reduces waste and provides a more sustainable way to meet the demand for dairy alternatives. Utilizing leftover seafood for new products. In the seafood industry, byproducts like fish bones, shells, and heads are often discarded. However, these byproducts are now being used to create new products such as fish stock, soups, and even collagen supplements. This transformation not only reduces waste but also adds value to parts of seafood that were once considered useless. The future of food waste upcycling. As the demand for sustainable food options continues to grow, the upcycling of food waste is likely to expand. Innovative technologies, creative solutions, and increased awareness of the environmental impact of food waste will drive further transformations in the food industry, making edible products out of ingredients that were once discarded.